pressure with that. Sounds like something's rubbing back there. It's a little bit off center. It's rubbing something in there. Let's turn a light on and see if we can get a little bit closer. Yeah, it looks like the tire is just rubbing right up against. It still has the pips on the wheel, and those right now are hitting that. And the problem is, when there's a little more weight on it, the whole tire rubs against it. So, not sure why. If a new tire would help, or if there's something wrong with this this plate, the bottom plate.